Hi guys, welcome back, and it's your girl Lami, and yes, another video, a new year guys. Today is all about the greens. As I would always say, if you want to see how I achieved this look, all you need to do is to stay tuned and keep watching Bylami TV. So guys, I decided to show you a glimpse of how I draw on my eyebrows and then fill them in. But what I'll do is I'll definitely do a more detailed tutorial on how I draw or fill in my eyebrows. First things first, as normal, is to ensure that you prime your eyes either with a concealer or with a primer. Here I'm using the Bylami concealer in C10, and then putting on the powder to actually set it. So concealer, then powder, making sure that it's nicely blended out, it's nicely smooth, to ensure that you get that solid foundation, which would help make sure that the eyeshadow sits in nicely. I'm getting in the palettes, and I'm going to put all the products that I use. I'll put them all in the description box down below. There I am putting on that reddish pink in just above the crease area, blending it in. And as I would always say guys, the secret is to just blend, so that you make sure that there are no harsh lines. There's nothing worse than seeing a makeup where you can see all the lines and where it's all joining together. It does not look cute. So doing the same thing, treating the same thing on the other side as well. Starting from the outer corner and then going right in and making sure that it's nicely blended in. Following that, I'm going to be using that blue color, and that is just going to go right into the corner of my crease. And it's like I'm drawing a straight line from one edge to the other, making it into a triangle at the edge, into a little V. And I'm doing the same thing for the other side, starting in the middle bit, drawing it all the way to the outer corner of the eye, and then going back to the inner corner of the eye. And again, I'm making sure that I'm blending it right in. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Make it blend. That's all you need to do. Just blend it out guys, to make sure that it's nice and smooth. You can see it's already forming that kind of smoky look without me having to put the next color on. So I'm going in first of all with the Dubai shade, and that's going to go all over the eyelid. And then following that, I'm going to put a green eyeshadow on top of that to intensify the color the more, because it's kind of still it's still festive. It's the first day of the year, so we're still in the festive mode. So I thought the greens would look really nice. I've then put the glitter glue just where I want the glitter to stay. If you put the glitter all over the eyelid, the glitter glue, it's going to go all over the eye. So ensure that you put it just where you want the glitters to stay, which you can see what I'm doing there. And I'm using like a flat rounded brush to actually apply the glitter. And you just got to be a little bit careful so it doesn't spread anywhere, because glitter can be a bit tricky. There, once the glitter is on, I then again, that's me doing the wing liner, and I'm starting from the inner corner of the eye and just flicking the wing out. Again, I'll do another tutorial on that. I've put my falsies on, the false eyelashes on, and then I'm using a green eye pencil to intensify the eye the more, you know, to make it pop. Here, you know me, I will dance away whenever I want to use my Lami foundation. I ain't bigging up myself, guys, but the foundation is amazing. It's the high definition C10. That's the shade in C10, and I am there beating my face, with the foundation you just need a really little bit. So here, guys, I've decided that I'm not going to contour and I'm not going to highlight. I'm just going to go straight in with the blusher and apply the blusher. And I've also gone in with the bronzer. You know I like to glow, you know I like to shine, so the bronzer's gone on there. Put it on the tip of my nose, both sides of the face, and in the cupid area. Here I am then using the Elizabeth Arden red lip pencil that I picked up from Duty Free. I absolutely loved the colour when I saw it, and I said I need to try this out. So this is me putting that lip liner on, making sure it's, you know, again nicely blended in, going around the whole lip. So that and one thing I've realized is when you use it, you can do it either way. You can put the lip liner all over the lip to intensify it, or you can put it around the lip. So what I did here, I just put it around the lip, and then I applied the Ruby Roo. That's what I applied on the lip, and I absolutely love it. I'm going again into that palette to get a bit more of the glow. And look at the eyes, guys. Just take a look at the eyes. It looks absolutely amazing. Before I forget, guys, the hair is also by Bylami. It's a 360 full lace wig. So if you're interested, don't forget to visit the website to have a look and grab yours while stock. Well, there's stock, guys. Make sure you grab one. And there, look at me. Push it, baby girl. Show them, sexy, cutie. You know what I'm like, guys. It can be a bit extra, but my eyes are absolutely popping, and I am loving the greens. I'm absolutely loving it. So, guys, that's it. Voila. That is the finished look. That's the 360. Me showing off the 360. Doing a little bit of a twirl on the seat there. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.